Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable incognito mode on your Chrome on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and go to any place. So just right click here, click on new, click on text document and name it anything. Just make sure your end text ends with .reg. Click on yes. Also, make sure you see the extension. Go to view, go to show, and make sure file name extensions is ticked. After that, just right click on it, click on edit in notepad, then just paste this script. Just paste this script right here. I'll give it in the description of this video. Then what you need to do is just close this, and then what you need to do is just double click on this, click on yes. If it asks for permission, then just click on yes, click on OK. And now if you just go ahead and restart your computer, you'll see that Google Chrome incognito mode has been disabled for you. And that is basically it. And that is how to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.